Guys, what I'm about to show you is one of the most underrated strategic immigration opportunities in Europe right now. And trust me, people are sleeping on Albania. This small European country is now opening doors to foreign workers in 2026 because companies are struggling to find workers locally. And the crazy part? Some jobs are offering free accommodation, food and fast work permits. And salaries reaching €70,000 yearly in skilled sectors. You do not need to be a graduate for many sectors. And there is no strict age limit for most work permits. This is exactly why smart immigrants are moving fast right now. Albania is facing a serious labor shortage. That means local companies are now struggling to fill positions. And when businesses cannot find workers locally, they start looking internationally. This is where you come in. Guys, Albania's tourism industry is exploding. Hotels and restaurants are growing. Construction projects are increasing. Tech companies are expanding. And healthcare facilities need staff urgently. But there are not enough workers. That's why many employers are now open to hiring foreigners. And this is why Albania is becoming a strategic immigration destination in 2026. Not many people are talking about it yet. Which is exactly why you should pay attention now. The cost of living is also lower compared to many European countries. Rent, food and transportation is cheaper. So even moderate salaries can still give you a decent lifestyle. And another mind-blowing advantage? Albania is part of Europe geographically and increasingly connected to the EU economy. Meaning this move can become a stepping stone for bigger opportunities later. Top 5 job sectors. Tourism and hospitality. This is massive in Albania. Especially in cities like Tirana, Durrës, and along the coastline. Jobs include receptionists, kitchen assistants, waiters. Average salaries €700 to €1,500 monthly. But luxury hotels can pay much more. Construction. Albania is building aggressively. Roads, hotels, commercial buildings. They need welders, electricians and general laborers. Salaries, €900 to €2,500 monthly. Skilled workers can earn even more with overtime. IT and tech. This is where the big money is. Software developers. Cybersecurity analysts. AI specialists. Guys, some tech salaries are reaching €50,000 to €70,000 yearly. Especially for remote international companies operating from Albania. Healthcare. Hospitals and clinics are struggling to find workers. Especially nurses, caregivers and elderly care workers. Salaries, €1,200 to €3,500 monthly depending on qualifications. Caregiver roles are especially important because of Albania's aging population. And some positions offer accommodation support too. Factory and warehouse jobs. This is one of the easiest entry points. Jobs include packers, sorters and warehouse assistants. Salary range, €700 to €1,400 monthly. These jobs are often the fastest route to getting a work permit. How to apply for these jobs? 1. Create a clean European-style CV and cover letter. Keep it simple. 1 or 2 pages. Professional photo if required. Mention skills, experience, certifications. 2. Apply for jobs using these 3 agencies: Sambel Recruitment, GI Group, EPPC, the HeadHunter Group. Note, it's free of charge because the employer pays the fee. Legitimate recruitment agencies do not collect money from job seekers. Guys, Albania is quietly becoming one of the most underrated relocation destinations in Europe right now. The earlier you position yourself, the better your chances. So tell me in the comments. Which country are you watching from? And which sector are you interested in? And guys, if this video gave you value, smash the like button and subscribe right now. I'll see you in the next one.